the word Atmano. Govinda aparita Atmano. The word Atmano in this verse, Vyasadeva has put it in the plural. It's not singular, it's in plural. It means many Atmas. So this means that Krishna stole not only the mind and heart and body of Radharani, his dearest and nearest gopi, who is his very praneshwari Radha, but he stole the Atman, plural, of all the gopis, everyone, because of his attraction. And that also applies, when Acharya is saying that Atmano, because we're also Atma. We're Jivatma. We're Jivatma, and the gopis are also Atma. They're also eternal living entities. They're Nitya, they're eternal servants of the Lord. And they're existing in their pure, realized state of the Atma. He's saying that Atmana means that Krishna has this power. He also has the power because it's plural, so it means not one gopi, but thousands of gopis. And it means not one jiva, but all the jivas. Everywhere, all the jivatmas. Jivatma means not only human beings are jivatma, but animals are jivatma. Birds, fish, trees, everywhere life, everywhere jiva. Everywhere life and jiva, jivatma. So Krishna, Govinda, has the power to steal and attract every atma, every person, man and woman in the entire world. This is the power of Govinda.